Welcome to another video. Today I'm here at a client that I mow bike weekly. You guys might know this as the mini project lawn. I'll give you guys a quick update on how everything's looking in the back. Quick disclaimer, I already started a landscape project that's out in the back of this yard. Right now we're in the front. That you're gonna see. What we are really here to see is how the grass is coming along. Now today I just got a little bit of mowing to do, which I'll be just trimming since it's such a small yard in the front, and then we'll go and make our way to the back, do some trimming there. But I'm also gonna lay down some liquid aeration and some fertilizer, some liquid fertilizer down into the soil to get things to continue to move. So without further ado, no, this is not going to be one of these crazy videos like I do when I'm at home. I'm trying to keep it professional when I'm out here, but go ahead and enjoy the tunes, and also make sure you stick around for the whole video. Look for O, and if you haven't met O yet, I'll put a link up here to my previous video where I introduced O, my new buddy, the robot. Make sure you look out for him during the events of this video. Put a timestamp down below on when you see him, and I'll go ahead and pick a random winner to give a shout out in my next client lawn video. All right, so here's a quick update of how everything looks. So we did some edge work and that pretty soon is going to be landscaping rocks. This is going to be nice. This is going to look, you know, filled in after I'm done. The grass, so obviously the weeds are out of control, and that's fine because right now there's a lot of bare spots and we just want everything to green up. There's still a lot of dead thatch all over the place, but the actual grass itself, it doesn't look like it's doing that bad. Got some wild Bermuda in here, that's okay. The St. Augustine itself, it looks like it wants to grow. We still got to continue to put some fertilizer. We still got to remove that dead thatch. We got to get that soil to come out. We got to continue to put root growth stimulator in here to make it want to grow. Still a work in progress. I think it's coming along. With that said, enjoy the mow. All right, so my work here today is done. Show you what we did here today. So we trimmed everything. We blew the debris out, the garbage out, picked up some garbage that was here, removed some of the thatch layer that was on top of here, a tiny bit here. Next time, it's a work in progress. We'll continue to remove some thatch. So the customer had a bag of topsoil laying around, and I figured right now, since about 80% of the thatch on this side was out already. Right now would be a good time to get that topsoil in and add some liquid aeration, some fertilizer, and some micronutrients down into the soil, so all the microbes down there can start working with the new topsoil, help it remove some of the thatch layer that's up here. Obviously the fertilizer has nitrogen. The nitrogen is going to help everything grow. The liquid aeration is just going to make the dirt on top more breathable for the nutrients to go down into the soil, so it can get to the roots of the grass. And yes, when you do that, when you have weeds, everything is going to grow. Grass, weeds, everything. But what we want to do is we want to get rid of all this dead spot, all this thatch, fast as possible, and then we'll take care of the weeds. Obviously, I'm not going to let it get out of control, but we want to get this more eye-catching than what it previously was. That's update number 2 on Project Mini Lawn. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something today. If you saw O, right, there's O, but this isn't O that we're looking for. If you saw O at any point in time in this video, make sure you comment down below on timestamp that you saw him for your chance to me to give you a shout out in my next client lawn video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.